Hello, I've got a BiLock here. It's an Australian high security lock with two sidebars, 12 pins. There are 6 pins on each side of the keyway, and there's no drivers because in those pins, I guess you could call them key pins, are true and false gates, one true and one false gate that interact directly with the sidebars. And yeah, unfortunately I don't have a key for this lock. It came keyless, but yeah, but I guess we better start picking and stop rambling. Alright, so you really wanna tension the lock clockwise if you're inserting the tensioner to the left side of the keyway, and vice versa, in order not to snap this center post off. Okay, I'm gonna start picking on the right side. So there's pin 1 binding. Click on him and he's loose. Number 2. Another click and he's loose. Now 3 is binding. Click there and he's loose. Little something on 4. 5 is loose and 6 as well. More clicks on 2. Oh, very faint on 3. A little on 5. Okay, back to the beginning. 1, click on 2, click on 3. Little click on 4. 5 is good. 6 is like almost binding, but not binding yet. I don't know if this is a normal BiLock experience, but these pins really feel, or they pick like they were tapered. I know they are not, but at least in my lock they really need to be set multiple times. Okay, I managed to drop like half of the pins, which is always nice. Okay, 4, 5, 6 was binding very strongly. Gonna click on him. Okay, back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 feels good. Click on 4. Double click on 5 and click on 6. You just need to go through those pins multiple times. I hear many little clicks, basically very similar to picking tapered pins as I mentioned. And there will be a moment when I hear a big click, and that will be the sign that the right side is fine, but it's not fine yet. Okay, this was a nice sound and a little core rotation, so I guess we can move to the left side. Alright, let's see what happens here. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, a little click. 6 is binding strongly. Having a hard time getting under him. Don't wanna release too much tension, that's for sure. Let me try this tool. Might be better suited for the job. Okay, got a click on 6. Let's go back to the start. 2 is binding. Okay, click on 2, click on 3, 4 is good, 5 is good, back to 1, nothing there, faint click on 2, another on 3 and 4, looks like the back pins are fine, more clicks on 2, this side binds a lot harder, not anymore, but at the beginning it was. Okay, I keep getting clicks out of 1, 2 and 3, but I know I am making my way towards the true gates. Little movement on the core after touching 2. Must be pretty close now. Four is being weird. Gonna ignore him for now. And it's a good idea, because 3 opens up. Alright. That's BiLock for you. Now let's relock it and get this thing gutted. Just give me a second to rearrange the table. Alright. Find a nice angle to do it. Okay, how about here? Okay, that might work. Okay, so screw this cap off and the core will come out rather easily. You can see both of the sidebars in place. Yeah, that's the view from the bottom. Okay. Let's remove those sidebars. This is the left one, right one, although it does not matter. Okay, and to get to the pins you need to slide this metal plate off. Luckily enough, these springs are not too aggressive and they don't jump out, even if you are a little bit careless when doing this. Okay. Where's the light? There it is. Okay, so let's remove those springs for now. Actually, this will be better. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this guy got lost. Alright, now what's the best way how to remove those pins? Yeah, I can take a look now on the pins. You can see 12 of them, and these grooves are where the true and the false gate are. Okay, I will show you as soon as I deal with this process. Okay, so this is the left side, is it? It is. I'm gonna put the left side on the top and the right side on the bottom. Oh, actually, I'm gonna cut the whole side at once. 1, 2. I wish all locks could be got it conveniently like this. But the metal plate slides off very smoothly, unlike the fucking M-Heart. Right? Okay. Why am I so clumsy? You know what? I'm gonna do just this. It's gonna be probably faster than trying to grab the pins. Not that pretty, but faster. Okay, believe it or not, we have almost removed all of the pins from the left side. Yeah, this one is flipped. I'll flip it later. Get out. Okay, maybe I could now do this right. This is 6 on the right. This is triggering me. I need to rotate the pin. Okay. 5. 4 is out. 3 is out. 2 is out. And finally, we have made it to the last pin. There we go. Okay. Now, let's take a closer look at those pins. How about this? Oh, it's actually not that bad. My tripod looks like a giraffe drinking water. Okay. Yeah, so you can see there are 12 pins, and on each of those pins there are 2 gates. There's one through gate, the big hole, and one false gate, the small hole. And this goes for all of the pins in this particular lock. So there's no mastering in here. Okay, I already showed you the sidebar, but I can show it to you once again. You can see these legs that are sticking out. There are 6 of them, and obviously they interact with those large holes, or they interact with both of them, but they should go right here into the through gates. Okay, I believe that is all for the BiLock. Maybe one more look at the core. This is where the sidebar goes, and you can see that these holes there, and the faceplate with this a little bit damaged center post, and yeah, the other sidebar slot and the slots for the pins. Okay, so that was the BiLock. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Yeah, sorry, just to be complete, the housing and the grooves for the sidebars. Okay, and that's really it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.